Promotion is an important part of running any event, and nothing gets the message out like a good old flyer. From DJ sets to messages of activism, a good design can catch the attention of passers-by and get them on board. Photoshop templates make it easy to create them. With bold designs purpose-built for print, produce professional flyers quickly with one of these templates. This is our list of the 10 best flyer templates for Photoshop. All items featured in this list are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription service that helps bring your ideas to life. With access to millions of design assets and services, simply download whatever items you want as many times as you want to enhance your creative projects. Number 10. Show your property off in style with this one by Micromove. Perfect for real estate businesses, blogs, magazines, and websites, this easily customizable template is designed for A5 printing and is set in 300 dpi. You can adjust the colors, fonts, and content, or leave it as is and add the details of your property. The template does a great job of showcasing your photography and hero text, as well as highlighting the most important details of the listing. Get ready to sell with this one. Number 9. Designed to promote nightclub events, this vibrant graphic design template will make the most important parts of information pop. Center your hero image, dates, and event titles using creative fonts and contrasting colors, and slot in other important information like ticket prices and your web address. Whether it's a house party or a dance event, this template demands attention. Number 8. Make your message the focus with this template. Designed to emulate a torn paper flyer, it's perfect for quotes, slogans, and messages of social change. The Photoshop files are designed in A4, feature a high DPI, and are ready to be printed. Easily change the colors, backgrounds, and graphics, and send it to the printers. Number 7. Show off your next film, play, or creative work with this double exposure template. The fully layered file is completely editable in either Photoshop or Illustrator and is designed for A4 printing with 300 dpi. With a structure that brings out your project's title, the production house behind it, and credits of the crew that worked on it, it's an excellent film or theater poster. And the double exposure effect is creative and cinematic. Number 6. The Naughties are back with this poster design by TMint. Show off your latest gig or music festival in this template featuring a beautiful background pattern and simple shape placeholders to insert your event details into. It's a structure that can work for pretty much any music event. Resize the shapes and customize the colors until you're content. Then print. It's that simple. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Envato channel for more Photoshop templates. Number 5. Showcase the strength of your business with this template by Design Soul 14. It's a fully layered Photoshop file with placeholders for logos, hero images, and sections broken up smartly into what your business offers. You'll be able to easily break down what you're offering, who you are, and how to contact your office. Change the colors as you like, and get ready to print. Number 4. Promote your movie with this clean, professional, and versatile poster design by LeafLove. Built for A3 printing, it's completely editable in Photoshop. There are free fonts recommended for it with links in the folder you download. All objects, colors, and text placeholders are editable, and it's ready to print in CMYK mode and 300 dpi. Make it a blockbuster with this one. Number 3. Get ready for a cozy winter concert with this poster design by dannyaldana. With an adorable snowflake pattern, illustrated keyboard, and a blue color scheme, you'll attract the eye and promote your event all at once. There's room for your event name, support acts, address, and ticket info, all on the one page. It's great as a printed poster and also comes in Instagram post and story formats. Number 2. Present your skills in a way that makes you look professional and forward-looking with this template by artbart. It's been adapted for quick editing with pre-built sections for CV, resume, portfolio, presentation, skills, service offerings, and more. There are 2 color versions, light and dark, and all fonts included are free downloads. It's all in A4 size with US letter size available as well. It's minimal but still playful, and above all, clear. Number 1. Promote a wide range of nightclub events with this template by styleWish. From DJ sets to house parties and clubbing, this striking design fills the page with color on a black canvas, emphasizing that nightclub feel. Your logo or act name takes center stage, with room for your dates, support acts, and venue information. It's tidy, but pops with energy, and is the perfect promo for your next event. And that wraps up our list of the 10 best flyer templates for Photoshop. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Check out the description for links to all the items shown today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Envato channel for more roundups. And check out the next video, selected just for you.